How to log in to Twitter. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can log in on Twitter, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically log in on Twitter, it's actually quite very simple. All we have to do is go ahead and first of all launch the Twitter application here. Now over here you can see to directly sign in with your Google account, but you can simply select already have an account login option, enter your email address or username to log in manually, then tap on the next option. It will take you to the page where you can enter your password and you can log in. If you forgot your password, you can tap on forgot password to try to reset it, or better yet, if you had linked your account with either of these services, you can select continue with Google and log in with your Google account instead. This way you can go ahead and then log in on Twitter. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.